Okay, guys, so I'm making the robe out of the velvet. And if you can see, I got my one side and I got my pocket kind of in place. I use a spray adhesive. So to get this shape right here, I'm going to show you guys. I use that shirt. And this is the spray adhesive. It's like a fabric quilting spray adhesive. Just hold your pockets in place so you don't got to use pins. See this top? This is the top that I make to do my robes. And then when I do the back, I just do the back. Let me show you. I do the back and I just don't curve it down. Let me show y'all how I do the back. So I use this same fabric. And when I do the back, I do it like this. But y'all see that? I just don't cut it like this. I leave it. And it's the same fabric that I use to make the back. So turn it around. Let me show you. So y'all can use a shirt to make this. And you just make the robe as long as you want it. So you see how this is? I just don't curve this over. So this is the back part of the robe. Boom. See that? Ain't that pretty? And then I'm going to put the two parts on. And then I'm going to go take it to the sewing machine. And I'm going to sew it together. So that's it. That's all it takes. That's it. Use a little bit of spray adhesive. Hold it together so I can show y'all. And I'm going to go take it to the sewing machine. And I'm going to do my thing. And then I got the belt. And guess what else is cool? When you use this fabric, it's such a thick fabric. You don't even have to, see it? So when this fabric is so thick, a lot of times you don't even got to match the threads because it won't show. So I use that shirt to make this robe. So, and then you cut out whatever size pockets you want. And then I use the trim of the blanket for the leftover to do the tie around. Okay. And then I got my sleeves. I measure it up to this shirt again. This shirt will be your main piece. And you just make it as long as you want. So to get the armhole, y'all see this? I match it up. There you go. That's all y'all need. Clothes like a puzzle. So just remember that. So if you're going to do it by hand, do it by hand. If you're going to order this off of Amazon, I order mine off Amazon. To get the pants, you're going to need 2 of these. 1 is not enough. So, okay, I'm going to get it sewn, and I'll see you guys later.